My name is Katherine Ramos at the Institute for Systems Biology. I didn't always know I would become a poo scientist. I started my career at a brewery as a microbiologist, and then I would start doing research on cheese microbiomes. So I always knew that I really liked microbes and this whole unseen world. And I decided to commit to poo when I realized that the human gut microbiome has just such a really wide impact on our entire bodies. And it's obviously focused around really pertinent issues, as 1 in 5 people have some kind of intestinal disorder, and 20 people last year died of hemorrhoids. So, you know, we can maybe reduce those numbers with our research here. A key piece of wisdom that I would like to share is regarding my research. If we were to think of humans as tubes, or rather their digestive tracts as tubes, we would see that taller people have longer tubes and shorter people have shorter tubes. So what we do see in the data simulated or in vivo is that longer tubes have more space for more bacteria to live on, so taller people do tend to have more diverse gut microbiomes. And a reason why that might be important would be, for example, with opportunistic pathogens. Literature has shown that higher alpha diversity is a sort of protective factor against C. diff infections. And what we do see is really exciting, or rather maybe exciting for taller people, but we do see that people who have been diagnosed with C. diff tend to have shorter heights. So the way that might be connected is maybe shorter people just have less bacterial diversity, and they're less protective against opportunistic pathogen infection. If poo could talk, it would tell us, please eat more vegetables. These vegetables are really rich in dietary fiber, which is really nice for the human gut microbiome on a lot of levels. For one, it's full of dietary fiber, so your good guys in your gut are able to eat it and multiply. It also can help reduce inflammation because these good guys are saying don't get inflamed, and it can also increase the alpha diversity in your gut, which, as we said before, is a protective factor against opportunistic pathogen infections. And just at the end of the day, dietary fiber can help make passage of poo out of your body a little bit less traumatizing. Hi, I'm Kat, and I poo too.